Welcome back. So CATIA 3D Experience has a weird limitation compared to CATIA V5, and this is regarding the workbenches. So currently I'm over here within generative shape design, as we can see. And if I will want maybe this part to be within generative shape design, and over here I want to be, for example, in part design, I have the possibility to go over here within 3D and I will activate the part design workbench. This will be enabled for this product over here, but as soon as I'm going to swap back over here, this will also be within part design. So I don't understand why they made this. I tried to launch a new 3D experience window, and let's say that I will have one with part design, one with generative shape design, but it doesn't work like that. It will just refresh the current active 3D experience over here, so the main window. In my opinion, this is a weird limitation because within CATIA V5, you could have a part open in part design, another one in a different window within the same CATIA V5 launch within a different workbench. And I don't understand why they made this. You will need to go ahead and change that role quite often over here. So in my opinion, this is a weird user interface, and I don't understand the reason for that. So let me know in the comment section if you know how you can have, for example, part design open over here, and within this one you can have a different workbench, maybe let's say generative shape design, since this is one of the most powerful workbenches. So we see it over here, this enabled. As soon as I'm going to swap over here, this will also have the same workbench. So if you know how to let's say fix this and how to overcome this, please let me know in the comment section because I really want to know. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this kind of content. You will find a similar video on the left side and a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.